This is the Kerala style Moong Dal curry, which is known as Parippu Curry. It is an integral part of the traditional Onam Sadya. So let us proceed to the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of Moong Dal. Dry roast the Moong Dal for few minutes. Roasting of Moong Dal imparts a deep nutty flavor to the dal. Roast the Moong Dal on low heat for few minutes till it loses its raw smell and gives out a nice aroma. Allow the roasted dal to cool down. Transfer the roasted dal to a bowl. Add water and rinse it. Drain the water and transfer the dal to a pressure cooker. Add 2.5 to 3 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, and cook this dal for 3 to 4 whistles. While the dal is cooking, we'll prepare a coconut masala. I have taken half a cup of coconut, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 green chillies, 2 cloves of garlic and half chopped onion. Blend this to a coarse paste. Set this aside for the time being. This is the cooked dal. We'll transfer this dal to a pot or a pan. I am using a clay pot here. Rinse the pressure cooker and add that water also into this dal. Add the coconut masala and mix well. You can add more water to adjust the consistency of the curry as per your preference. Cook the curry on a low heat. Check the salt. If you need to add more salt, you can add it now. Allow the dal to come to a boil. Now for the tempering, heat a tadka pan. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 dry red chilli, half chopped onion, few curry leaves. When the ingredients start sizzling, pour this tadka into the Parippu curry. Parippu curry is ready to be served. Serve it with steamed rice with pickle and papad. If you like the recipe, please hit the like button, and in case you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you try this recipe, please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.